In this tutorial, I will demonstrate how to set up an HTML block that detects whether or not the device is online and, based on that detection, either display a still image, in this case a notification, or a live interactive Bing map. Let's take a look at the final result. In this example, I'm using iOS Simulator and Mag+ Reviewer 5.0. I'll start with Wi-Fi turned off and I'll open the MIB file I've transferred to the iPad. As there is no internet connection, the alternate message is displayed. If I turn on the Wi-Fi, in a second or two the screen will change and the live map will be displayed. Now I can interact with the map and pinch and zoom. To get started, we need to download some code to detect the online status of the device. The software is called OnlineJS and we can find it at pixelcommanders.com/polygon/OnlineJS. I have a link to the website on the desktop, so I'll just double-click it to open the site. The site opens on a page running an actual demonstration of the OnlineJS code. The page shows a green traffic light and the title "You are online." When I turn off my Wi-Fi connection, the light turns red and the title now displays "You are offline." When I turn the Wi-Fi back on, the light turns green and the title displays "You are online." To download the software, we scroll down the page to a link "Download Zip." The download is only 96 kilobits, so it loads quickly. Once it's downloaded, extract the contents. I've extracted mine to the desktop, and the folder is called OnlineJS-master. Double-click the extracted folder to open it, and then double-click on the index.html file within it. You will see the same example as the online version. Turn your Wi-Fi on and off to see the detection at work. Close the browser and create a new folder within OnlineJS-master. Name it Korsakov Map. Open the src folder and drag the online.js file into the Korsakov Map folder. The online.js file is the only file we need, so select the other folders and files and delete them. Rename the OnlineJS-master folder to Connection Status. Now we need to apply the OnlineJS to a project. A perfect use for detection is the deployment of interactive maps. If the device is connected, then there isn't an issue displaying the map. But if a connection isn't available, then nothing is displayed in place of the map. This simple project contains a single vertical with a Bing map. The source code for the map has been obtained from bing.com/maps. A search on Korsakov displays the map position. The code can be retrieved by selecting Share and then copying the embedded code. For now, copy the Korsakov_map.html file from the sample map folder in Assets into your Korsakov map folder. I've modified the Bing map code to provide a simpler interface on the map itself. Test it by opening the file in a browser such as Safari or Chrome. The next step is to add the map to our vertical using InDesign and Mag+. Open up InDesign and select Open. In Assets, there is a project folder InDesign containing a sample iPad korsakov.indd and korsakov.idml file depending on your version of InDesign. Open the appropriate file and select the rectangle on the A main tower layer. In the Mag+ object window, select HTML as the object type. For the URL, select the Korsakov_map.html file in the Korsakov map folder. Make sure Scale Contents to Fit block is turned on. Save the file as Korsakov_update. Open the Mag+ vertical window. In the Mag+ settings, I've already selected iOS Simulator as my target, and I have the simulator open on the desktop, displaying the Mag+ Issues pane. Select Fast Review, and a second or two later the window updates to display our page, an interactive Bing map. Once again, I can zoom in and use the tools to change my view. However, when I turn Wi-Fi off and zoom in, we can see that the map is not refreshing and using a low-resolution version cached on the initial load. Rather than this unsatisfactory result, we will use the detection code to display an alternate view. Now it's time to put all the pieces together. We will combine the Korsakov_map.html file, the OnlineJS JavaScript file, the alternate view graphic, and connection.html file in one folder. Open both your connection status in your assets folder. In the assets folder, open the folder called Finished Project. There is a file called connect.png that will be displayed instead of the map if a connection isn't available. The file is 419 pixels square. Copy that file to your connection status folder and into the Korsakov map folder. There's one more .html file we need, and that's connectionoff.html. If we open the file in a word editor, I'm using Text Wrangler, it's a rather simple HTML page. There is some CSS code to set the page dimensions and position of the div. Then there is the JavaScript code that manages the result of the connection status test. If the connection is available, it shows the Korsakov map.html page with the Bing map. If no connection is available, it shows static map image. Copy the file to the Korsakov map folder and retest the vertical. You can find the assets online at tonyredhead.photography/mag+/conassets.zip. You can also find a step-by-step written version at tonyredhead.com/mag+con status. If you have any questions or queries, you can post them at the website. Thank you very much.